बराबर ने? Can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Ah. नहीं बेटा તમારું નથી ને. નહીં સી. Okay. Okay, I am asking you some questions. Please give me answer. Okay, supplementary angle હોય તો એનો સમ કેટલો થાય? લાસ્ટ લેક્ચરમાં મેં એક્સપ્લેન કર્યું હતું સપ્લિમેન્ટરી એંગલ હોય તો એનો સમ કેટલો થાય? એડિશન ઓફ ટુ સપ્લિમેન્ટરી એંગલ ઇઝ. બેટા નો ખબર હોય તો ના પાડજો, પણ મને વેઇટ ન કરાવો પ્લીઝ.
Supplementary angle means 180 degree minus given angle.
Okay, exactly. It means the sum of two angles which are supplementary is 180 degree. Right. Okay, now the sum of complementary angle.
Complementary angle means 90 degree minus given angle.
Good, very good, Sakib, very good. Okay, what is the meaning of reflex angle?
Reflex angle means 360 degree minus given angle.
Very good, very good, very good. ઓકે, તો આ બધી વસ્તુને માઇન્ડમાં રાખજો, બરાબર? જ્યારે 6.1 એક્સરસાઇઝ સોલ્વ કરીને ત્યારે. Okay, you can see question number 1. In figure 6.13, lines AB and CD intersect at O if angle AOC plus angle BOE is equal to 70 degree and angle BOD is equal to 40 degree, then find angle BOE and angle COE. Okay, now you can see here one figure is given. I am just drawing a figure. Please see here carefully. Okay, it is lines AB, it is line CD. This both the line intersect at a point O and one another line E. We can draw here. Now it is given that the sum of angle AOC, which angle? AOC means this angle, and BOE is equal to 70 degree. So we can write here angle AOC plus angle BOE is equal to given that 70 degree. And angle BOD is equal to 40 degree. Now we can see angle BOD is equal to given that 40 degree. 40 degree. Now we have to find two angle. Which angle we have to find? Angle BOE we have to find, and one angle we have to find COE. Okay, now you can see the question. Okay, first of all, you can see if we consider two line, which two line you can see here? Line AB and line
Nine.
C. If consider these two line, you can see angle BOD and angle AOC are vertically opposite angles. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Beta, only Sakib is giving me answer. What about other student?
Okay, sir.
Are you present in a lecture? All of you boys, are you present in a lecture? If yes, then give me answer. Two line AB and CD if we are considering, you can see angle BOD and angle AOC are vertically opposite angle. So what we have to write down here? We can write here angle AOC is equal to angle BOD. Why? We can write the reason in a bracket because of vertically opposite angle. And we know that vertically opposite angles are always equal. Yes or no? Boys, કાલની થિયરીને યાદ કરો
Yes,
બેટા એની
sir.
અંદર મેં લખાયું હતું કે vertically opposite angles are always equal, right? Here given that angle BOD is equal to 40 degree, it means angle AOC is equal to AOC is equal to 40 degree, right? Now you can see in a question it is given that AOC plus angle BOE is equal to 70 degree. It is given in a question. Substitute the value of AOC is equal to 40 degree plus angle BOE is equal to 70 degree. So we get angle BOE is equal to 70 degree minus 40 degree. Right? So we get angle BOE is equal to 30 degree. Are you getting this? You can see in a figure again. If angle BOD is 40 degree, then angle AOC is 40 degree. Why? Because of these two angles are vertically opposite angles. Now it is given that the sum of these two angle, which two angle? This angle and this angle, it is 70 degree. It is given in a question. So if this angle is 40 degree, then 70 minus 40, remaining angle, it is angle BOE. It means we get angle BOE is equal to 30 degree. Clear all of you? Now we have to find angle COE. Which angle we have to
Yes,
find?
sir. Yes.
We have to find COE. Now you can see if we consider line AB, which line we have to consider? AB, right? If we consider line AB, you can see this angle 40 degree, this angle COE, and this angle 30 degree. It is a linear pair. Yes or no? Why? Because of these three angles are making 180 degree because of AB is a line. If
Yes,
AB is a
sir.
line, then the sum of these angles are always 180 degree. So it means 40 degree angle AOC plus angle COE plus angle BOE is equal to 180 degree because of because of line AB. We can write down like this: angles on line AB, right? So here given that AOC is equal to 40 degree plus angle COE plus BOE is equal to 30 degree is equal to 180 degree. So we get 40 plus 30, 70 degree plus angle COE is equal to 180 degree. So we get angle COE is equal to 180 degree minus 70 degree. So what is the answer? Angle COE is equal to 110 degree. Okay, clear all of you?
Yes, sir.
Question number one.
Yes.
Okay, now you can see question number two. Okay, in figure 6.14, lines XY and MN are intersect at O. If angle POY is equal to 90 degree and A is to B is equal to 2 is to 3, then find C. We have to find the value of C. Okay, how can we find? You can see here. First, we are drawing a figure. Okay. Okay, now you can see it is line XY, it is line MN, and it is the intersecting point O, and it is P point. Now we are given that angle POY is equal to 90 degree, right? And two angle A and B given here like this. It is angle A, it is angle B. And here given that A is to B is equal to 2 is to 3. And it is angle C. We have to find angle C, right? It is given. Clear all of you? You can see the figure again. In a question, angle POY is equal to 90 degree given. A is to B is equal to 2 is to 3 given. We have to find the angle C. Okay, now you can see if we consider line XY, in a XY line, there are three angles. You can see 90 degree, A and B. Okay, so first we can write from the angle on a line, it is on a linear pair. So we can write down here angle A plus B plus 90 degree is equal to 180 degree because of angles on line XY. Yes or no? Yes or no? XY line પરના એંગલ છે એટલે એનો સમ કેટલો થશે 180 degree. So it means A plus B is equal to 180 degree minus 90 degree. So we get A plus B is equal to 90 degree, right? Now here A and B, the ratio of angle A and angle B is given. What is the ratio? 2 is to 3. So we are supposing that angle A is 2x and angle B 3x is equal to 90 degree. So what is the answer? 5x is equal to 90 degree. We get x is equal to 90 divided by 5. So we get 18 5s are 90. X is equal to 80. Okay, if x is equal to 18, then angle A is equal to 2x, means 2 into 18, and 2 into 18 means 36. B is equal to 3x, means 3 into 18 is equal to 54 degree. So we get angle A and angle B as 36 degree and 54 degree. But we have to find angle C. Now you can see how can you find angle C? Okay. We have to find angle. Yeah, you can see now. If you consider line, which line? MN. Which line? MN. On this line MN, angle B and C are there. So we can say that the sum of angle B and angle C, it is always 180 degree because of MN is a line. So we can write down here B plus C is equal to 180 degree. Why? Because of B and C are angles on line MN. Right? So what is the answer? We know that the value of B, it is 54 degree plus C is equal to 180 degree. So we can see C is equal to 180 degree minus 54 degree. Tell me what is the answer? 180 minus 54. 126? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Write down question number 1 and 2 fast.
Okay.
How many students are present? Arsh,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Asad Raza, Asad, Mohammad Ali,
Yes, sir.
Nurani Ali Reza, Ali Reza, Mohammad Abbas, Rehan, રેહાન
યસ સર.
બરાબર કરજો લેક્ચર અટેન્ડ.
હા સર.
પછી આ કોણ છે? રેહાન માંદ્રા, મોહમ્મદ રેહાન.
યસ સર.
તું બેટા પેપર સબમિટ કરી ગયો રેહાન?
હે સર?
પેપર સબમિટ કરી ગયો નિદાન કસોટીના?
હા હા કરી ગયો.
ઓકે બેટા, ચલો રાઇટ ડાઉન ફાસ્ટ.
મેં તો સબમિટ કરી.
ઓકે બેટા, રાઇટ ડાઉન ક્વેશ્ચન નંબર 1 and 2. Please draw every figure with pencil. અત્યારે તમે રફ બુકમાં લખતા હો તો કોઈ પ્રોબ્લેમ નથી, પણ ફેર નોટની અંદર પ્લીઝ બેટા બધી ફિગર પેન્સિલથી ડ્રો કરજો. બેટા ગ્રુપમાં પીડીએફ ફાઇલ મૂકેલી છે, એને સોલ્વ કરવાની શરૂ કરી ચેપ્ટર નંબર 1 ની. હલો,
યસ સર.
ગ્રુપમાં પીડીએફ જે સેન્ડ કરેલી છે એ સોલ્વ કરવાની શરૂ કરી બેટા બધા. મોહમ્મદ અબ્બાસ,
યસ સર.
હૈદર અલી ક્યાં છે?
સર હૈદરાલી નથી આ.
કેમ નથી આવ્યો?
હું ખબર છે, પૂછી સાજે એને.
આજે પૂછીશ નહીં, અત્યારે પૂછ, વોટ્સએપ કોલ કરે ને.
ઓકે.
બેટા તમે એટલી તો રિસ્પોન્સિબિલિટીઝ લ્યો યાર, તમારા જે ખાસ ફ્રેન્ડ હોય એ લોકો લેક્ચરમાં ન આવે, એને અટેન્ડ તો કરાવો ગમે એમ કરીને.
ઓકે.
સર રિટર્ન.
Okay, written all of you. Written all of you boys.
યસ સર.
યસ સર.
Okay, now you can see question number 3. Okay, in figure 6.15, angle PQR is equal to angle PRQ. Then prove that angle PQS and angle PRT are equal. Okay, very simple question. You can see here. One triangle is given here. And in a triangle, there are two angles are equal. Okay. Here given that PQR, angle PQR is equal to angle PRQ. It is given in a question. we have to prove angle PQS is equal to angle PRT. Okay, it is very simple. You can see. Okay, now you can see if we consider this line. On this line, if we consider this two angle, which two angle? Angle PQR and PQS. If we consider this two angle, it is a linear pair. You can see a linear pair means the sum of these two angles it is 180 degree. So we can write
Yes, sir.
one here angle PQS plus angle PQR is equal to 180 degree, right? Okay, now we know that angle PQR is equal to 180 minus angle PQS. Yes or no?
Yes,
We
sir.
are taking PQS to the left side. Sorry, right side. It is your equation number 1. Now you can see on this side. If we consider angle PRQ and PRT, if we consider these two angles, if we consider
Yes,
this two red angle, it is also linear pair. Yes or no?
yes, sir.
Okay. If it is linear pair, then the sum of these two angles it is 180 degree. So we can write here again angle PRQ plus angle PRT is equal to 180 degree. We know that angle PRQ is equal to, we are taking PRT to the right side. So it's become minus. Okay. Now you can see in equation number 1 and equation 2, angle PQR and PRQ are equal. It is given. And if it is given, we can compare its right hand side. So it means 180 minus angle PQS is equal to 180 degree minus angle PRT. Okay, now you can see 180 degree directly will be cut from both the side. So we get minus angle PQS is equal to minus angle PRT. Minus will be cut from both the side. So what is the answer? Angle PQS is equal to angle PRT. We have to prove these two angles are equal. Okay. Now one another thing I am just explaining you. You can see in a triangle there are three angles. What is the meaning of these three angles? There are total 6 angles in a triangle, but 3 angles are interior and 3 angles are exterior. Now please remember this one thing. If in triangle interior angles are same, its exterior angles are also same. Please remember this thing. It is
Yes, sir.
useful. You can see angle PQR means it is interior angle, right? Angle PRQ means it is interior angle. If these two interior angles are equal, so what is the meaning of that? Its exterior angles are also equal. So it means angle PQS and angle PRT are also equal. Here we are proving that. But whenever I ask you this question in a MCQ, in FB, you just uh, use this logic, use this note. Okay, whenever the interior angles are equal, its exterior angles are also equal. Okay, boys?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we can see question number 4. Okay, you can see in figure 6.16, if x plus y is equal to w plus z, then prove that AOB is a line. Okay, first we are drawing a figure AB and COD. Okay, first we have one line AB. It is AB line. It is point C. It is point D. It is O. Now you can see this angle is X. This angle is Y. What? Okay. This angle is Z and it is 1 minute. Wait. Okay, BOD is W angle. Okay. Now you can see it is given that here x plus y is equal to W plus Z. Then prove that AB is a line. Okay, now you can see. You can clearly see this x and y are angle on a same line AB. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
If the angle x and angle y are on a same line, then sum of these two angles is always 180 degree. And if the
180
sum
degree.
is 180 degree, when it is possible, if AB is a line, right? So we can easily prove that. So what we have to write down here, x and y are angles, the sum of these two angles are 180 degree. And when it is possible, when is it possible? If AB is a line. ક્લિયર અગર એ બી લાઈન છે તો જ તેઓ પોસિબલ થાય એટલે પ્રૂવ થઈ ગયું આપણો ક્વેશ્ચન શું છે કે તમે પ્રૂવ કરો in figure you can see x plus y is equal to w plus z, then prove that AOB is a line. AOB means AB is a line, but O જે છે એની અંદર મિડ પોઈન્ટ છે એટલે મિડ પોઈન્ટ તરીકે આપણે એને બતાવેલો છે જો A, O and B. So when is it possible if AB is a line? Clear all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now write down
Yes,
question
sir.
number 3 and 4. Write down fast, beta.
Sir,
We have
question number
almost
4 is this.
what? So question
Question
number 4.
number 4. This much only.
Yes. Okay, write down fast. We have 9 minutes and we have to complete 2 questions. Question number 5 and 6. Write down fast.
Sir, return.
Okay. Okay, now you can see question number 5. Okay, you can see in a figure 6.17 POQ is a line, ray OR is a perpendicular to line PQ, OS is another ray lying between ray OP and OR. Then prove that angle ROS is equal to 1/2 angle QOS minus angle POS. Okay, see here. First we are drawing figure. It is angle line POQ. It is one perpendicular line and it is one another ray. Okay, it is POQ, it is R and it is S. Okay, we have to prove angle
Yes, sir.
ROS is equal to 1/2 in bracket angle QOS minus angle POS. We have to prove this, right? How can you prove? You can see. First, if you want to write down angle QOS, Okay, angle QOS is equal to, we can write here, you can see QOR plus angle ROS. See here, QOS means this total angle, QOS, in which angle QOR and angle ROS, these two angles are there. Yes or no? તમે એંગલ
Yes,
QOS
sir.
ને કન્સિડર કરો તો એની અંદર આ બંને એંગલ આવી જશે. એમાં એંગલ QOR જે છે કેટલા ડિગ્રી છે? 90 ડિગ્રી. Why? Because of it is perpendicular. છે કે નથી perpendicular? So it means angle QOR is equal to 90 degree. So we can write here QOS is equal to 90 degree plus angle ROS. Clear? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you can see angle POS. If you want to write down angle POS, it is angle QOR minus angle ROS. See here. See here, if you want to write down this angle, angle POS, only this angle. So it is angle POR minus angle SOR. जो टोटल एंगल છે POR 90 ડિગ્રી, એમાંથી તમે SOR ને માઈનસ કરી દો તો તમને એંગલ POS મળી જાય. મળે કે ન મળે બેટા? ફરી વખત સમજો. એંગલ POR, આ એંગલ જે છે એ પરપેન્ડિક્યુલર છે એટલે 90 ડિગ્રી છે. આ એંગલ 90 ડિગ્રી, 90 ડિગ્રી માંથી તમે એંગલ SOR ને સબટ્રેક્ટ કરી દો તો તમને એંગલ POS મળી જાય કે ન મળી જાય? આપણે એંગલ POS જોવે છે તો POS એંગલ કેટલો થશે? એંગલ POS is equal to એંગલ QOR minus એંગલ ROS. તો એંગલ QOR કેટલું છે? સોરી, QOR નહીં, it is POR. It is angle POR. It is 90 degree minus angle ROS. થઈ ગયું ક્લિયર? રાઈટ? ઓકે, હવે જુઓ તમારે ROS ને પ્રૂવ કરવાનો છે તો બંને ઇક્વેશન માંથી તમે ROS એંગલ ને લઈ લો. તો એંગલ ROS is equal to શું થશે? એંગલ QOS minus 90 degree. અને સેકન્ડ ઇક્વેશનમાં શું થશે? એંગલ ROS is equal to angle POS plus, sorry, 90 degree minus angle POS. Now you can add these two results or compare these two. No, we have to add these two results. Angle ROS is equal to, we are adding these two, so 2 ROS is equal to minus 90 plus 90 will be cut. We get angle QOS minus angle POS. Right? We have to find angle ROS, and for this we are taking 2 in denominator. So angle QOS minus angle POS. You can see we have to prove this statement. You can see what we have to prove. Angle ROS is equal to 1/2 angle QOS minus angle POS. Clear all of you? Here you can see I am writing here. Here I am writing, it is equation number 1. Sorry, it's not equation number 1, it is equation number 1. Then it is equation number 2. Now it is equation number 3, it is equation number 4. We can add these two equation number 3 and 4. So we get, okay, now write down question number 5.
Sir, written.
Okay. Okay, now question number 6 we will do in next lecture because we have no more time. Write down this 5 question one time in your homework and one time in your fair book.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, and one another thing, I will send a PDF file of chapter number 5, Euclid's geometry, some MCQs, some